Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. I hope you all are well and taking care. Today we will trade in Australian dollar versus US dollar. In this video you will learn many new things. We will apply trade on trendline retracement setup. Let's see how much profit we can extract from the market today. If you like the video, then please like it so that I can continue to bring more such videos so that you can learn something. First of all, I am applying trade. See you guys after a while. Guys, we have $1,600 in this account, which has to grow with proper technical analysis and strong psychology. Right now we are running some dollar profit here, which we will try to grow further. Here market is running in strong downtrend from last 3 days. But here we have applied the trade of uptrend, which you can see in the chart. The real trend of the market is uptrend, which is going on since many days. Now I will explain to you through trend channel, so that you will understand better. Trend channel is an easy way to know the trend of any currency, stock, cryptocurrency. The market has been following this trend line for some time now, where we will get to see proper higher lows. Here we will connect all the points properly with the trend line so that we can get the correct trend line. Place the second trend line with the same angle on the higher highs of the uptrend. This will give us an idea of where the market can go up, due to which we must have already known at which point the market will reverse. Here our trend channel is complete. The market is now moving in this trend channel, so that we can see the next move also inside this channel. The market has taken support here for the last time. Along with this, a bullish engulfing candle has been created, which indicates a bullish trend. This candle is strong created compared to other candles. We can call it a good signal. Guys, will now draw a strong support resistance level, due to which you will get more good buying signals. Always keep in mind the support resistance level and apply the trade so that you know the reversal points. At this level we will see multiple support resistance points, which is very important. The market has also created a strong uptrend pattern at this level. Here you can see that the market first took multiple time resistance and later broke it and made it a support, due to which the resistance becomes support pattern has been created here. After this pattern, we get to see a very good mover. Here the market has created a head and shoulders pattern at the same level, which is a strong reversal pattern. Such patterns are always seen near the trend line and support resistance level, which gives good signals of market reversal. Earlier the market was moving in a downtrend. Now we can again see an uptrend move. Guys, our analysis work is complete. Now we have to put stop loss and target point so that we can exit the market with profit or loss at the right place. My stop loss at this point will be 30 pips below the strong support resistance level and outside the trend channel. If market gives trendline breakout, then our trade will be automatically closed. And the target point will be 60 pips above. The market has come to this level before. If there is a strong uptrend in the market, then it will have to go above this level to make a new higher high. Guys, now we are running a loss of $50 here. We are trying to grow our account with proper technical analysis. I have applied stop loss and target point. Guys, our work is complete. Our risk here is $1,600. If the market hits the stop loss, then our account will be zero. The risk is calculated by our own calculations. Here we are using the trendline retracement strategy, which we have already used. This is very simple setup, but anything can happen in market. No strategy works 100%. Here we can only follow good analysis and right risk management. No one knows where the market will go next. We can only predict the market. Meet you guys after a while. Guys, our stop losses hit. The market neither went up nor down. The market trend turned sideways, due to which our goal was not achieved. Market took support again where we had drawn strong support resistance level. We had already drawn this level. The market reacted again. Here I am drawing another level. At this level the market has created multiple resistance points. Here you can clearly see the trend of the market, which is sideways, because of which we could not reach the target. Here market has given breakout at strong level. Now market can go down from here because consolidation zone has breakout here. Guys, our analysis was correct, but the market didn't move in the direction we wanted. It's not in our hands. Every trader has a loss in the market, whether big or small. We can control it with proper position size. If you like the video then please like the channel, and if you are new then don't forget to subscribe. Meet the guys in another brand new video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.